Hello everyone. Today inshallah we are going to talk about intentions and the premises. Firstly, let's talk about intentions. We use them when we are sure we want to do something. نستخدم الانtentions عندما نكون متأكدين لعمل شيء ما. Firstly, let's explain intentions. We have two forms for using intentions. This is form number 1 and this is form number 2. Let's discuss number 1. The first form is subject plus intend or intends to plus infinitive. Once again, what does it mean subject? فاعل. بعد الفاعل راح نحط intend or intends to plus infinitive. So what does it mean infinitive? الفعل مجرد بدون أي إضافة، يعني شكله الأول. For example, number 1, I intend to visit my dad. Look here, this is the subject I. We put intend. We don't put intends. We put intend because we have I. I intend to. Look here, visit. This is infinitive. فعل مجرد. My dad. Number 2, they intend to run. We have a subject here, they. So we put intend, not intends, to run, and this is the infinitive. We intend to study hard. Look here, this is the subject we, and we put intend, not intends to. Study is the infinitive, فعل مجرد, hard. But look at he or she. He intends to swim. He intends, we put S because we have he. And also she intends to swim. So if the sentence starts with he or she, we put intends, not intend. عندما تبدأ الجملة به or she نستخدم intends وليس intend. This is the first form. Now look at form number 2. We have subject is, are, am, going to plus infinitive. Once again, we have subject is, are, am, going to plus infinitive. So look at this one, I, this is the subject, am. We put I, then am. We can't say I is or I are. No, I am. I am going to visit my dad. I am going to visit my dad. So we have am here. We put ing. I am going to visit my dad. And look here, after to, we put infinitive. فعل مجرد. Number 2, they are going to run. We put they. After they, we put are, not am or is, going to run. We are going to study hard. We put we, and after we put are, going to study hard. Now look at this one, he or she is. We can't say he, are, or he, am. He or she is going to swim. And after to here, we put infinitives, أفعال مجردة. So, we can use this form or this form. Both are correct. Now look at this exercise. Choose the correct answer. Rahaf, intend, intends, intending to play tennis. We have Rahaf here. Rahaf is a singular. She. So, after she, we put intend or intends. Yes, excellent, intends. Number 2, he intends to. We have to. After to, we put infinitive. Where is the infinitive here? Clean, excellent. Number 4, we have are. After are is am, we put ing. Well done. Number 5, are, do, does, you going to make a party on your birthday. We have you and also we have ing. So the correct answer is are. Now look at this exercise. Do as shown between the brackets. Sarah is going to write a story. We are going to use intend instead of going because we can't use intend and going in the same sentence. ما بنقدر نستخدم intend و going to في نفس الجملة because intend و going to have the same meaning. يعني إما بحط going to or intend to. لأنهم نفس المعنى. So firstly we are going to write Sarah. Then we are going to delete is going and put intend. But look here, we have intend and we have Sarah. Sarah is a singular, so we add is. Sarah intends to write a story. Full stop. Basic watching. They intend to do homework. We are going to use going to. So we put they, we delete intend and use going to. But look here, we have ing. So we must use before going, we must use is, are or am. لازم نستخدم قبل ing is, are or am. They, is it okay to say they is, they am? No, they are. They are going to do homework. Now we are going to talk about promises. What does promises mean? Yes, it means وعود. And when we are going to talk about promises, we use this form, subject plus promise or promises to plus infinitive. الفاعل وراها promise أو promises to والinfinitive اللي هو الفاعل المجرد. I, we, they, you promise to study hard. So if the sentence starts with I, we put a promise. We promise, they promise, you promise. But if the sentence starts with he or she, we put promises. He promises to study hard. She promises to study hard. Thank you very much.